Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the exact Google account that holds the Android backup, because Drive ties SMS to that account. Once signed in, open the Google Drive app and tap Backups to find the device backup entry. This lists what Android saved. Make sure device name and date match the time you expect. If you need to act, pause here and switch accounts. This first step avoids wasted restores and points you to whether the SMS bundle is present. Once you see a matching backup, note that Google Drive shows backup size and categories, but not raw SMS text. Android stores messages inside a device backup. To view them, you either restore the backup to the original or use an export path. Open the backup app that created the SMS file or install a trusted tool like SMS Backup and Restore. Grant Drive permission, then import the XML. This extracts messages into readable form so you can search, read, or you finish by choosing Restore versus Export. Restore if you need messages back on a device, or download the XML from Drive and import it into SMS Backup and restore to read or export CSV. Make sure to grant permissions and wait for the import to complete. If you can't find the backup, check that you used the same Google account, verify Android backup was enabled, and confirm Drive has enough storage. If necessary, rerun a fresh backup and repeat the steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.